Hi, my name is Shara Hammett, and I'm here to help you help your child understand decimals. Decimals are a part of everyday life. Children use decimals to calculate money, to time athletic events, and even when they're measuring things. In Math in Focus, children understand tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Decimals can seem very abstract to many children. Often we teach them tricks or procedures thinking that they will understand decimals. In Math in Focus, we use place value charts and visual models such as grids to help create that foundation of understanding. In Math in Focus, we look at decimals as a fraction representing part of a whole. One way that you can help your child understand decimals is by using money, such as pennies or dimes. What if we took one penny and placed it on the 10 by 10 grid? You can see that we have one part of the whole now. We have 1/100th. Let's show that as a fraction. We have 1 out of 100. Or, as a decimal, we can illustrate that as 1/100th. But let's add some more pennies. Now we have 3 out of 100 on our 10 by 10 grid. We have 3 out of 100, or we could illustrate that again as a decimal as 3/100ths. But what if we added more pennies? Now we have a whole row. We have 10 out of 100. So we can show 10 out of 100 as 10 out of 100 as a fraction, or as 10/100ths. But now we could do some trading in, because 10 pennies is the same as 1 dime. So let's use our other grid now to illustrate this as tenths, because this is the same as 1/10th. Again, we can record that using a fraction, 1/10th, or as a decimal, tenth. But if we didn't want to use money, we could just use a marker to do the same activity. Let's take a marker and color in 23/100ths. 1/10, 2/10, and 3/100ths. 23/100ths is now illustrated on our 10 by 10 grid. Did you know that 23/100ths is the same as 2/10ths and 3/100ths? Now you do some with your children. Using a marker, have them fill in 45/100ths or 73/100ths, or have them fill in 2/10ths or 9/10ths. Using grids and using money is a fun and meaningful way for your child to practice and understand decimals. Thank you for joining me.